Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
Welcome to Fun King 3D, and this is another episode of Mailbag Monday, except for, what'd you do with the mail? Where'd you put the mail? Speedy delivery! Alright everybody, we've got 3 packages today, and we're going to open them up right after this. All right, so first I want to say that I'm absolutely shocked and surprised that Mailbag Monday has been going on now for 15 weeks. 15 weeks worth. And I think there was a couple weeks where we didn't have anything, but overall there's been 15 weeks worth of you guys sending us stuff, and we super appreciate it. It is awesome. I know that this segment isn't necessarily 3D printing related, it's more channel related, but it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun, and we get good feedback from you guys. So we're just going to keep doing it as long as you keep sending us stuff. And today is a little bit special because 2 of these packages we have no idea who they're from. So, which is the 2 prime packages. This one, which is the one that we're going to actually start with, is special because it's from our friend Paul Cumber. He is a big friend of the channel. And sends us stuff quite regularly.
Fragile. You're not supposed to cut it.
It is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is marked fragile, at least on 2 sides, which with the post office is a really good idea because they like to sit on our stuff. They didn't seem to sit on this one, and I love the way that Paul wrapped this. It's almost like a Christmas present. So I'm going to try to hack my way into this the best that I can. This is some super durable paper, and as I'm cutting towards myself. No. All right.
Yeah.
Wow, that is oh, you guys wait till you see the inside of this paper. This is awesome.
Ooh, looks nice.
Oh, now I tore it.
Oh, you.
I was working so hard at not tearing it.
But you can still holy cow.
Look at that. That is some awesome penguin paper. That's awesome.
It's a recycled gift
a
bag.
recycled gift bag. That's cool. We dig the recycling, Paul. That's good thinking, buddy. Mm-hmm. So, and then
warning: before installation,
the enclosed instructions regarding the installation and use of this regulator must be read and understood. Ooh, that sounds official. I'm thinking that this box is probably recycled as well.
Most likely.
If not, I guess we'll read the instructions inside.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's recycled. This carton.
Carton. It's not a box, it's a carton.
It's a carton.
Did I not cut this side?
I don't think so.
I just didn't cut it all the way. I failed at cutting.
Oh,
good packing job, Paul. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Got some Pringles. This says to Xander and Zach from Paul.
Oh, thank you for the Pringles. I love Pringles.
I don't know. I don't think it's actually Pringles.
Darn it.
So, and then I don't know. I think that this is just paper, but we'll double check. We got some pillows. Got to have some pillows.
I'm gonna open this for you.
That's definitely got some stuff in it. Ooh, and I'm excited. I can already see what's in there, and that's exciting. We got a self-addressed stamped envelope from Paul. Oh, I knew this was coming. I forgot.
I don't know what that is, but okay.
You want the knife?
No, I don't like
knives.
like
the knife. So Paul recently got into wood burning.
Ooh.
I should get the detail camera over here because we're probably going to need that.
Okay.
So Paul actually burned this for us, which is really cool. So that's really neat. I knew this was coming and I forgot. I forgot that was coming. So, are you sure you don't want the knife? We're going to be there for a while.
I opened it, but I just.
And then it looks like we got some coasters And I don't know if these are made. I used to do a craft with my grandma where it used a mesh,
Skittles.
a plastic mesh, and I think that might be what those are made out of. That's
two
cool.
Skittles.
One for you and one for your brother.
No, I have both.
Let it be known that Paul does not skimp on the packaging.
I think I know that. I haven't opened that one yet.
Make sure that there's nothing hiding in those. I think that was just filler, but I guess I should read the letter just in case.
It's paper.
Okay, that's enough with the paper.
I'm checking the...
Oh, that's the PSS part of the letter. Okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to put all this together. Oh, you wrote me a book, Paul. Glenn to read. Xander and Glenn. Xander to read.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so I guess you have to read that side.
Xander and Glenn, that's us.
That is
Xander to read. Hello, Fun King 3D. How are you doing? I'm doing just okay. This letter's for Xander to read. Hope you don't mind, Glenn. On Easter, I made some Easter keychain. The Tinkercad to the Easter egg are for Xander and Zach. Hope you like the Easter eggs too. The wood burning I did with my wood burning pen that is made when I... Oh my god. What?
I was 15 years old.
When I was 15 years old, my mother made some Easter that she made needle point for your mother to my God bless you, my friend.
So Paul sent us 4 cross keychains, and these are really cool.
Oh wow!
These are really cool. Well, they were in the bag. In the bag. What's in the bag?
In the bag.
All right. So you read that whole side?
Yeah.
All right. This side says, "Have a nice Easter to Xander and Zach. Don't eat too much candy." Hey Xander, what's black, white, black and white, black and white?
Black and white, black and white, and black and white.
A
zebra, I'm guessing.
On roller skates. Black and white, black and white, black and white.
I don't know what that is. Okay, but okay.
Because he's going around the skating rink. So what's black and white? Black and white, black and white. Man, he's really not that much fun.
It goes black when you fall down.
Xander, what did the Easter Bunny say to the other Easter Bunny?
I don't know.
Better hop to it and get it done. Your friend, Paul Cumber. May God bless you, my friend. P.S. There's more. Oh, that would be the side that you read. And then PSS says, I get my stuff and print on my 3D printer for Thingiverse as well. I also make my thing on Tinkercad too. There are 4 cross as well. Take care. God bless you. Thank you, Paul. Thank you so much, brother. I love the stuff. Oh, I didn't open this. We love the stuff that you send us.
What is that?
Your print quality is definitely getting better. You've eliminated, from what I can tell, the under extrusion that you had on the bottom. So you are definitely growing and coming along. And these are really cool. These are really cool. So he sent 2 of those as well. So Xander's still trying to get into the candy.
I got them both. I got them both.
All right. Thank you, Paul. Thank you so much. I'm going to slide all this stuff out of the way, and we'll go on to the next one. And we will definitely find a good spot for that.
Goodbye, Pringles can.
All right, we'll get rid of all of your trash. The off-screen assistant has been taking my garbage so kindly. All right, make sure that no addresses are showing there. All right, so these next 2, I think I'm going to go with this one. These next 2 are both from Amazon, obviously, because it screams Prime all over them. You know, they tell you to tear at the perforation. I can never get these to tear. So I always end up having to cut through them and hope that I don't cut through anything vital. Oh, now that's interesting. Somebody was quick, because I just put that on our wish list. That is a PEI sheet for the, it's kind of got a weird, maybe that's just a coating over the top of it, but that's a PEI sheet for the AM8. Oh. I had originally bought the I can't even remember the name of it. That glass, the glass sheet with the texture on it. But I've decided not to use it because it's going to make the bed too thick, and I don't want to mess with that. I love the PEI that's on the Prusa. So at that point, I decided that the AMH should have Prusa should have PEI as well. I had put this on our wish list just this week. So whoever it is out there that bought this, that is greatly appreciated, and you were quick. You were quick to snag that up. So thank you so much. I mean, if you want to identify yourself, we will.
Mystery person.
You know, when you guys send, I mean, unless that was done intentionally, but when you guys send us stuff directly from Amazon, if you check the gift option, you can actually leave a note, and they'll put a note in the bag.
Oh, really?
And tell us who it's from.
Oh, that's
so,
cool.
Because it's. I mean, thank you, but I don't know who I'm thanking. So. And this one is the same way. I have no idea. Oh, I feel paper in this one.
Paper? It's receipt. Receipt.
Well, there's a gift receipt, but I'm looking for a name, and again, no name on there. I don't even get paperwork in the other one. You want to take that out?
Yeah, I'll take that out.
I mean, it's already telling me what it is, but...
Oh, wait. A gift for you. Hey, Glenn and Xander. That's us. That's you guys. Looking forward to seeing the CNC in action. Figured I'd help with some parts.
Should have known.
Ronald Mulderig.
You know who that is?
No.
Uncle Ron.
Is it really?
Yes. Thank you, Uncle Ron. You are just far, far too kind. That is it's the controller board. It's the stepper controller for the CNC machine.
Got a thingy.
That's a USB cable.
And then we got another thingy.
Yeah, can you show it to the people?
We have a few thingies.
So you got some thingies?
Mm-hmm.
Let's punch up over here.
This thingy majiggy.
Well, that would be the controller board.
Oh, that's the controller
board. Jumpers.
It's some more thingies.
Ah, that is the controller board that goes on an and it's got an Arduino too.
And then
Holy cow, Ron! Thank you so much for this.
Then we got an R thingy.
It's an Arduino.
Oh, it's an R thingy.
Yeah, it's a Arduino Uno R3. That is awesome. And then that board that's known as a shield that plugs in on top of this, and then these all plug into there, and that drives all the stepper motors for the mostly printed CNC machine.
So you're pretty much saying thingy connect to thingy, and then another thingy connected.
Yeah, this is the brains. And then this is the interface. These are stepper drivers. These are the controllers that tell the motor how much to turn and where to go.
Thingy to thingy.
You guys see what I have to deal with? See why it's so hard to teach this kid things? So, thank you, Ron. And thank you for putting a note in there so I knew who it was from. You know, when you sent us the Rastafarian hat and didn't have any more, that was so funny. But it's hard to thank people for things when you guys don't include notes. So please do include notes, much like Uncle Ron did.
It's another thingy.
It's a whole box of thingies. So, but it's awesome. Thank you so much, Ron. Thank you, Anonymous, for the PEI sheet, and thank you, Paul Cumber, for sending us the stuff. I see that you did include a self-addressed stamp envelope, so we will send you out a little care package. And that's wrapping it up for today. So from all of us and all of this cool stuff, and this is definitely going to help us get the MPCNC machine, which we haven't officially announced. We've talked about it. I have a whole bag of parts that I've printed so far for it. So that is going to come to light very, very soon, and this is going to make it happen even sooner. So it is greatly appreciated, guys. So until next time. As always, print on.